Hello everyone, you are welcome in pen.net. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to use the user interface of pen.net. Firstly, we can launch the pen.net software by clicking on the icon of pen.net. After the launching of pen.net software, the most top part of this is the title bar, which contains title. And the next one is the menu bar, which has many menus like view menu, edit menu, and others. Below this is the toolbar. The toolbar has the tools such as pixel grids and the rulers. After clicking the ruler, we get the ruler in a form. That means the ruler is in pixels or centimeters. It is used in measurement. We can remove the ruler by clicking on that place. Below this is a column of tools. For example, brush tool is used for brushing. Like we have drawn a line like this, then there is the tool option. We can take any other tool like shape tool, then we can have different shape of the brush. So the white area on this pen.net is called the canvas. It is the editing area. In the toolbox, all the tools are listed in this. We can check by going on the drop down. There is also a color tool, so which we can choose any color. Like we have chosen blue, then we can draw blue through the brush. We can also use red color or any other color. We can also undo the history. For example, we have mistakenly done anything and we need to go to back. So from this rightmost column, we can undo any of the activity. At this place, all the history is recorded in an ordered fashion from the beginning to the end. We can go to any step and undo or do anything to that step. Then for doing that, we can go to any step and the whole process will start from there. Now the window below to this rightmost column is a rear window. After adding the different layer, we can do different things to that layer. For example, I have drawn green color on this layer. I have created another layer and drawn red color on that layer. If I will overlap the red color over the green or the green color over the red, it will go there. So we will discuss these things later. The layer window is a floating window. We can place it anywhere. If we want to remove this window, then we can cross it and this will be hidden. And the colors too can also be hidden. After hiding all these things, we have a tool to remove the hidden folders. The shortcut for hidden folders is F5 for history, F7 for layers, F8. If we want to save all this on the default location, we can also go to record location. So clicking on this on the record location, all the folders will be set at their recorded location. Now we have seen all this. So let's go to history and set all those tabs by going on the history. So now we are at the position, new image position, where there is nothing written on the white canvas. Now we can set default for tool options. This button is for the setting. Clicking on this, now we can set things on pen.net. The first one is the user interface. If you want a theme of dark color in spite of this white color, choose this and it will go to dark. So usually we take it as default. So if you want to change the language, we will choose Spanish as for Spanish. As soon as you set this option, pen.net will be restarted and it will start with the new language set by you. Now you can see everything is changed into the set language of yours. For again changing it, you can go to the back and you can change again the language. So every option is changed into that. So go to setting. So according to my default tool, I like pen. So I will set the brush size as 25. So whenever I open the pen.net software on my system, so on default, as default I used to get, so we can set different options for different tools according to our need. As for example, for gradient, previous tool rasterization. So it was the settings. So this is where we have seen the user interface for the pen.net. So in this tutorial, I have explained how to use the user interface of the pen.net